The crowd is going wild, and so is this sauce.
Yellow card, Flav. That's too much smoke for one kitchen. We're making mielie, chicken feet, and a BBQ sauce that's no longer a secret.
Welcome to FlavLab.
Today, we're celebrating the World Cup with an African feast.
Let's start with the mielie in Bolton compound butter.
Layer it. Don't be shy. This is a melting pot of joy.
Look at that melt! It's like a goal in the 90th minute! Smoky, sticky, and rich, just like my favorite victory.
Now for the main event, the BBQ sauce. You have to make your own. The secret is the balance. Sweet, sour, and a lot of heat.
Dive in! Just taste this.
The BBQ sauce permeates everything, even your nose.
Chicken feet time! Chicken feet time! Nibble on that char.
Don't be afraid. The bone just falls straight out when it's tender.
Mielie smothered in butter. I'm to die for!
The Gherkins sweet and sour really cuts through the fat. And for the side, a potato vinaigrette through the richness. To cut through the richness.
Look at this spread! Africa is winning today! Chicken livers wrapped in bacon. What a feast! What a feast!
The secret BBQ sauce is no longer a secret. It's yours now.
Wait! The grill is getting too hot! Danger!
Stay calm. It's just the grates mode.
I love this heat. It's like the semifinals. Let's do this.
Ready when you are.
Perfect.
We did it.
Mielie in the center. The captain of the team. Welcome to the Flavor Stadium. Chicken feet around it. The defenders of flavor. Ready for the kickoff? Let's taste the victory! Ah! Oh my gosh! This is a winner!
The richness of the butter, the smoke of the BBQ. Incredible!
Nibble on these feet. Don't be shy. Join us for more and more adventures on travel, trails, and tastes.
The potato vinaigrette is the MVP. It balances everything.
Ah! Oh my gosh! This is a winner! Cheers to the World Cup! Cheers to Africa!
Subscribe to FlavLab and join the flavor revolution. Cheers! Cheers! Comment below which African dish we should make next.
Don't forget the extra BBQ sauce for dipping. Welcome to our kitchen.
Let's create something delicious.
We actually did it, Pepper!
The World Cup of Flavor is ours!
We are the champions! The World Cup heat is moving north. We are taking this party to the USA.